Will it crank? Inquiring minds want to know. We bought this car a couple of weeks ago. We did a video on it. I'll put it in the description below. 1968 Dodge Dart. They were supposed to deliver it to us. Hadn't yet. We can't take it anymore. We got to know if this thing is going to crank. Wasn't really abandoned. It was a guy that had the thing that was going to fix it up one day. Everybody knows somebody like that. I'm pretty much guilty of that too on some cars. But anyway, 68 Dodge Dart. We finally got it. And so now we're going to see if this thing will crank. All right. We ain't got a carburetor and stuff. Eviction notice. You could bring. Did you bring buy scripts by chance?
I got buy scripts. I got all kinds of stuff.
All right, let's
go to the service truck over here. We'll get the tools out.
Service truck.
Yeah. Service truck.
All right, we ain't got any keys whatsoever. We're gonna have to hotwire this thing.
Cable on. Yeah, dude. What does this go to? Negative.
Yeah. All right, let's check this.
I got that battery post on. I'm gonna get some MOPAR buy scripts.
This hot?
Oh, it should be good and hot.
Bring me a screwdriver too. We need a screwdriver. We'll show you something over here. Come over this way. Come right around here. At some point, they've had these. We got we got all the. But that is the red line tires. That's the Coker Classic red line tires. They spent some money on that, and I just think they're absolutely dry rotted. That's a shame. They ain't gonna tell me what them tires, the red line tires would be. But that's pretty cool.
But yeah, no, I know the battery's hot. I stole it out of some dude's truck, so it's definitely hot. No, not really. I didn't steal it out of nobody's truck. It was his boat.
We got. All right. I need give me a slot screwdriver.
All right.
Wow, this thing, hold on a second, let me see this. We got this thing. Somebody's already got it hot wired. All right, let's see if we got anything at all.
No.
Do what?
Don't have to go through that relay.
We got nothing. That goes to hot.
Oh. Why is it black?
Actually, supposed to go right here. All right, we got, hey, how about that? All right, let's check this.
Looks good to me.
We got a, need to run a little gas. You got a hose and a gas line?
I got a what?
You have a gas hose? Yeah, that'll work. Perfect. Oh, you don't even need the fuel pump then. Look at here. Modernized.
Making this thing electronic fuel injection. The lights are on.
I see that.
I heard the other day they told me up there if you use Windex, these things run good off of it.
Folks, he's lying to you.
It's Windex. Look, it's blue window cleaner.
Tell him what it is.
No, that's aviation fuel. 100 low lead.
We're going to hook it in over. Well, you can hook it in right here. Let's just take that off right there. All right. We don't have any keys, so we're going to have to hot wire it, which we're running. A lot of y'all know you run a hot wire to the coil, and then we're going to crank it over with the starter. But the dang carburetor looks like it's fairly new on this thing, so I don't know.
I think somebody's rebuilt it or something.
It's definitely not stuck. We done rolled it over already.
Well, if I can get both sides, I hate them style.
Yeah, I do too. Cheap. Just cut it.
Yep.
What's 8 mean? Give them this. Got fuel?
Working on it.
Huh?
Still working on it. Suck on it. There. That's it.
Get fuel. Hold on a minute. Let's start pumping.
Aviation fuel tastes funny. Like a mixture between dead gas and I don't know what.
Well, it definitely ain't pumping, Bubba.
Well, because you unplugged it when you moved it.
Oh.
Oh, might be bad.
I'll pull it out. Hold it up.
Red.
Oh, well, there we go. Now put it in there.
I blowed on it, so it.
Well, there's enough gas in there to crank it, I think.
Yeah.
Huh?
Should be.
Well, let's see what it does. Let's see if it rolls over. Let's see if we're getting fired on. I believe that thing was running, was it?
It did. It kicked over for a second.
Well, let's see if we get some fuel to it. I don't think your pump's working. Just stand right here.
Turn it off for just a second.
No, we can edit it out.
Well, I'm just, yeah, okay.
Huh?
Yep. That fuel tastes funny, don't it?
Gosh, that stuff's terrible.
It's like a mix between dead gas and I don't know what. I'm sure it's good to be ingest. That one's come out of the car.
I don't even give a shit. Are you filming this?
Trying to put a waxy coating inside my mouth. What about you?
Now we're high on methamphetamine. What is it called? We're high on aviation fuel.
I have gas. 100 low lead.
Good Lord. No wonder that stuff burns so good.
I just got. I bet you $1 I can light my mouth on fire right now.
Don't do it.
Woof. Be like one of those sideshow people that blows flames out their mouth. I think my pumper is bad. And we can just use the bottle.
All right, let's see if that's gonna work now. We plug it up. I got fuel.
Do what?
Here, grab that up there. Don't let it go. Ho.
You want to put it there? Or
Yeah,
here?
put it right there.
We'll put it right there. Well, it's running out of there just as fast as it can go.
Will it not go in there?
It needs a.
You can't fill that thing full.
We can. It'll run good. We need a clamp on that. Hold on.
I guess you didn't bring a rag, did you? What's the chance you had a rag in the service truck, as you call it?
Slim to none. No, there should be one back here. This stuff, just shake your hands like twice, it dries that fast.
I know it.
Here.
Thank you.
Check out the brake lights are on. I've seen that.
All right. Got that top?
Yep. Huh. That's it. That's it.
That should be working, shouldn't it?
Yep, should be.
Anything?
Yep.
Well,
I
let's try
can't
it.
tell. Need a light. It should be.
I don't see anything. Let's try it and see what it does. That was too easy. That was way too easy.
That's crazy.
That is way too easy. Man, that thing don't smoke or nothing. Listen to that little booger. Fuel pump's working. Look at this little gas. All right. We're going to shut it back down before it gets too hot. All we need is some hubs and wheels and tires.
Put 2 hubs on this thing, it'll be ready to go.
We'd be good to go. We ready to ride.
It's crazy how good that thing runs.
Should we paint it or not paint it or just wash it or I don't know. That thing ain't even smoke.
Craigslist rebuild it.
So, all right. So now we know this little old thing runs like a brand new, and I am not kidding. You just sits there and purrs like a kitten, and it fired right up. Of course, we had to run a wire for a hot wire because we didn't have a key, and had to run down the starter where we could crank it without a key, and then we had to run the hot wire to the coil where we'd have some fire. But man,
Yeah.
it's surprising how good it didn't even smoke
it
when we
run
cranked
good.
it up. So
Fired
anyway,
right off. We didn't have to mess points or nothing. It fired right up, which thank God because they're down on the bottom underneath.
that's why they lean into our power. But
Yeah.
we got to get this thing down there. We're gonna get some brakes on it, and our next video is gonna be us driving this thing down the road as it is. We're just gonna put some brakes on it, and hopefully the transmission will go in gear. And so look forward to that. Check our last video out on this car. I'll put it down in the comments. And again, thank y'all for watching Phillips Run, Drip, and Bubble Company.